Hey, it's the FingerNailFixer, and I have nail mail. It's so much fun to get nail mail. I love getting nail mail when it has the lovely Famous Names logo on it. So let's take a look into this nail mail. Let's cut right into that and see what's going on in here. They have launched a new product, and I am dying to see it in person. I always love the fun. Ooh, nailtechevent.com. And yay, 10 years. And let's see. Ooh, this looks fun. imixyourpaint.com. imix. Very interesting. Full instructions at imixyourpaint.com/instructions. Oh, this is cute. Look how cute this is. Oh, what a fun little guy. I love him. Oh, and these little mixers on a little branch. Look how cute these are. So these are gonna go straight into the polish or gel polish for mixing. And then there's a snazzy little stick that pulls the mixers back out of the polish or gel polish when it's empty so that we can reuse them. This is just so cute. I can hardly stand it. I can't wait to try it. Here's the cord. Yay! And here looks like some quick start instructions. So that's a quick unboxing. I'm gonna have a good look at the instructions and hit you back with a video on actually using the imix. This looks like an absolute blast. Hey, it's the FingerNailFixer again. I have taken a look at this imix. It looks like it is going to solve so many of our problems and make life in the salon lots easier. This is the power cord. As you can see, you are going to need a cube to plug in the USB. So I have snagged one of the mini cubes I keep laying around for phone charging. Just plug that in and plug it into a power source. And then you have the little end that plugs into the imix. And so we'll plug that in, and look how cute that is. And if you look up the instructions online, you can actually customize your LED light show. So you can customize that for your salon colors, to entertain your clients, and all of that fun stuff. Isn't that so cute? This is gonna be my new obsession. I'm absolutely in love with it. Next is going to be taking one of the little mixers and putting it in your bottle of polish or gel polish. So I have an assortment of different brands of polishes and gel polishes so that we can see the different ways that it mixes. And so I'm actually gonna make a different video for each brand so that you can see how it does for mixing all of them. So for this video, I'm just gonna quick drop in a mixing bead. So pull this, I threw it on the floor. So I'll hunt for it off camera. So we'll set that down this time while I take the lid off the gel polish. And as you can see, the gel polish is really separated. You can see the different pigments on the brush. We'll drop that BB in, or the mixing bead in, close the gel polish, and place it right, you can feel it like magnet to the imix. That's so cool. And then you can see the light twirl. And as you can hear, it's not making any noise. So it's very quiet in the salon. It's not like the shakers that we've been using that are like on the table, and the noise itself is entertainment for the client. And we're gonna let this run its cycle, and I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, and I'll edit in the end and show you when the cycle is finished and let you know how this mixed up with the Light Elegance P+, and then I'll make individuals for the other brands so that I can just post each brand as its own mix video so that you can see the difference in each of the brands and how they mix with the imix. This is going to really just be a game changer in how smooth and beautifully our polishes and gel polishes apply. I am so excited. And it looks like we are gonna be able to purchase refill packs of these little mixers so we can put them in our most popular colors as we like. This is the best nail mail in years. I am so stoked. Leave me comments. I want to know what you think of this, guys. You will know your mixing session is finished when the little LED lights shut off. So let's take a look at the P+ and see how it looks. Oh wow, the color is mixed even all the way up the wand. Look at how clear the color is. So let me just grab a piece of the cardboard here from the packaging. Grab the P+. We'll just swipe a little bit on there. Look how gorgeous that is. That is absolutely beautifully mixed, as if we had shaken our brains out. So no more loud, noisy paint shakers, no more thumping our hands or legs until they are sore. This is absolutely brilliant. And I will shake some other brands in other short little videos so you don't have to watch one giant long video, so that you can see the imix in action with other brands. Oh, I'm so excited.